It's long come from here. Chivalry's not dead. Into me it strikes fear. Honesty has never letted her escape on the biscuit tin. I need myself plenty, but his favorite handshake only did make that bit worse. But I'll hold the door open for you. I'll buy you lots of fancy shoes. You equally start to get
Here to make the day a little bit brighter, even in the rain. I hope you're having a great time, and thanks so much for coming out.
Chivalry's not dead. Just bruised and battered.
You'd be right here in the this booth right here. So right here in this pavilion is Miss Heart of Wisconsin. So come on up and pay a visit and shake her hand, give her a hug, whatever you like to do. Stay warm today and enjoy.
Strikes fear.